This week you should have been spending at least 30 minutes a day reading a book for pleasure. Now what you're going to do is you're going to choose a book that you have previously read, or a book that you maybe are currently reading, or a book that we've read at school, okay, and you are going to give it a review, okay, and that means where you kind of give it your you share your opinion about the book. You say the things you like about it, you say the things that you think could improve on, you might give it a rating and say it's a good 6 out of 10, and you could recommend it to somebody else, okay? So you need to choose a book, okay, to review, and then you're going to share your opinion by choosing one of these book reviews. So I've put some examples onto Seesaw, and you have 4 templates that you could follow, okay? If you don't have a printer, don't worry, you could kind of look at them and you could make your own review in your home learning book, okay? So here is a mild review over here. Then we have a spicy review, which you can do some drawings, you can talk about some of the characters in the book, or you can do choose one of these templates over here, which is a hot review. Or you could create your own book review, okay, on some paper, and you could choose the best parts that you like out of all of these templates and add them to your own review, okay? I would like to see some pictures. I'd like to see you sharing your opinion and recommending it and giving it maybe a score to see how likely you would be to recommend it to a friend, okay? So first thing you need to do is to choose a good book. It'd probably be easier if it was a fictional book, so a story book, and then share your opinion about the book and then recommend it to a friend. Okay, enjoy. This is a really fun task, okay? Have fun, and I can't wait to see what books you've been reading and how much you've been enjoying them.